Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
have to make our fellows be okay too. And stay away from our land. We are not scavengers. We should not be traveling all over the world, being exterminated anytime you people want. You can't continue. So we're here to tell you that keeping quiet on the case of Nnamdi Kanu shows the whole world, not Biafra, because we know already, that we are the one who kidnapped him in the first place. You kidnap him. If you say it's not, take me to court. Let's go and challenge and defend it there. Your citizen cannot be in a foreign country, a backward country called Nigeria, you created. And you keep quiet. You don't give any help to him. If somebody goes outside in this country and carry cocaine and come back, they hate me in Indonesia. You say pain and everybody can really person. What has it done got you? Is it a wrong thing to be clever? Is it a wrong thing for somebody to be sensible? Is it a wrong thing for somebody to be educated? You preaching all over the world. Democracy, 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 rule of law. But you never keep one. You don't keep to appointment.
London.
You don't keep to agreement.
We are here on ground, man.
Some of the papers are telling the whole world now that all the war being fought in Africa is being fought by your group. Fake news group like BBC.
No shaking.
Complete fake news. That's why you make sure that Trump was removed. I blame him. If he was clever, he would have done what he was supposed to do in first time. But I'm telling you, Biafrans will not keep quiet. We will not keep quiet. Even our mother will not keep quiet. We will not keep quiet until Biafra is restored. The earlier you know it, the better. If you keep on keeping quiet, you keep on multiplying your problem. In the Bible, when the children, our forefathers, go against people with Abraham, they will use people like Britain to suffer us, molest us, kill us, do us all kinds of evil. But at the end of the day, they will use Chukwu Abraham will come after you, the same person used to punish his children, and ask you who asked you to lay hands on my children. He will give you 10 times double the punishment you give to your children. So the earlier you do all those things, the better for you. Stay away from Biafra land. Our oil is not free. 200 years of stealing is enough. 200 years of vandalism is enough. 200 years of subjugation is enough. 200 years of killing, plunder is enough. Biafra land belongs to Biafrans. What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? Iperela Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. Iperela Biafra.
We are going to hand over the letters to number 10 Downing Street. We are handing over the letters to them. The letter to show them that we are not terrorists. If you remember last week, there was a dust that was raised when the British and a concocted country called Nigeria, when they come together to trying to label Biafrans terrorists. Now, we stood on our ground to say we are not terrorists, we are civil. We don't even throw stone, we do nothing to people. Why would they come from nowhere to declare that we are terrorists? And now we are going to hand over the letter to them for them to answer, to tell us the reason why they say we are terrorists, why we are not. So we are going there now to hand over the letters to all the MPs, writing out all the evil they have been committing in our lands and every atrocity they are doing in our lands. So we are going there now to hand over the letter to them to declare our stand. We have all it takes to be our own country, to do what we want to do, but we cannot be stopped. So I'm going there with the new national coordinator with his deputy and national secretary. We are going to hand over the letters to them. I still remember Lobby Boma reporting for Biafran television here in London. security side to hand over the letters to them. This is number 10 Downing Street gate.
That's a petition. It's a petition signed by the representative for all the people. Yes, we have. Yes.
This is number 10 Downing Street here. Boris Johnson, his office, and also where he's living. If you can see here, it's only police that is guiding here. But if it's in zoo, you will see army, you will see everyone guiding everywhere. If you can see, it's very easy, very accessible. Still on the road, but in the zoo, army, every one of them won't even have access to go and hand over the letter at the gate. You can just see them here. Only the security police, that is all the ones that are here. How many letters do we have? How many letters do we have?
One for them.
One for them.
Yeah, and one for the Commonwealth and the House of Commons.
You see British with the eye service. But you can see here, they have the flag. See the flag? Ukraine flag is on top of the, I don't know if people can see it. Ukraine flag is here. They are supporting Ukraine. But what they are doing in our land, they cannot put our flag there, neither do they support us. But they are supporting Ukraine for the Ukraine against Russia. And see the Ukraine flag on top of the building on number 10 Downing Street. But our own, you cannot see our flag. Instead, they are killing us. See the police, the one that is guiding the gate. But in the zoo, it's quite different. They are killing us and they are happily killing us.
The main door that you see is basically led by the private.
Yeah, very soon our flag will be, as they put the flag of Ukraine on top of their building, Biafran flag is going to fly also there. Yeah, our own flag will be there. It will not be only Ukraine or their country's own. They are taking oil from our land. They take every of our resources they have collected from our land. And still, they are happy that we are being killed every day. We are protesting. We will continue to protest until Biafra is achieved. That's the only thing. When Biafra is achieved, they might decide that they don't want to see us in their country. We will be okay. We will be happy to be in our own land because our land, we have everything insufficiently. We don't like anything in our land. It's just that they are subjected us into torture in our land. We are being killed every day. We are being maimed every day. A lot of things are happening in our land. We need to be free. They are flying the flag of Ukraine on their building. That is eye service. They are committing atrocity in our land. They refuse to say. BBC don't say what is happening. Instead, they close it. Look at what happened yesterday in Kanu. Hundreds of children were being killed in school. And they're saying that is tanker gas incident. How can they classify it as crime? Where is bomb blast, a suicide bomber. They kill children. They want to make people in Biafra land childless and making people orphan. A lot of evil that they are doing. And they are happily doing it. And they don't want to let us go. We must go. Because it's our time to go. We can continue. We can continue to be slaves in our own land. We need to go. If we get Biafra tomorrow and they say they don't want to see us in their land, good for us. We need to be in our land. Freedom is better than anything. We need Nnamdi Kanu out. They should release Nnamdi Kanu and everyone that is holding in that land. All the people that they are holding, they must go. We need Biafra. We need Yoruba nation. We need even Ariwa nation. We need all. Oh. Biafra, Ariwa, Odudua. That is what we need. We don't need one Nigeria. Nigeria is a scam. It's a scam. They sold us for peanuts and they want us to continue being a slave in our area. We say no. We need freedom. They are finding it difficult to take the letter because they know that this is a petition. It's a petition against them. We are here. They have to accept our letter. If they don't take it from us, we'll post it. They must get our petition. The evil that they are committing in our land, the atrocity that they are committing in our land. This is not 1967. This time around, our eyes are open. We are very wise. And we know what we want. All we need is freedom. All we need is freedom. All we need is freedom for every Biafran. Nnamdi Kanu and every other person that are holding there, prisoners of conscience. They must release all of them. They must release all of them.
Yeah, we want our freedom to be our own self. We have been before, we have our passport. Yeah, that's all we are there. We are here to get a British people. They haven't released our freedom for us. They released our freedom for us.
They don't want to take the letter, no. They won't. If they don't take it, we'll send it by mail. And we are also going to send it by post. If they don't want to take it by hand, they know what they are doing. We are not giving up. We are not giving up. We know that the letter must get to them. Our petition must get to them. We have 6-page petition. Even if they don't take the letter, we are going to post it. And not just posting it, we'll send us to email to make sure they have it everywhere. Number 10 Downing Street must get our letter. We write a petition to the minister himself, Boris Minor. Boris Johnson, don't mind me. They are taking everything after. They are taking our resources. And we are not giving up. Let's see how long we wait. And see if they're going to accept the letter. If they don't accept it, we're going to post it. And we'll also send it to their email.
Just ask me to wait. Just because people coming and going, so make sure you don't walk in.
Hello. What freedom is talking about? Who's got you captive? Which government? Nigeria and British.
We don't want to be part of the awareness. The more longer or the more awareness.
So why don't you argue with Nigeria?
No, because the evaluation was done by the British government. That is the problem. So they have a say in what is going on. And our leader, that's him, has back to Kanu, was excavated from Kenya back. Terrorism, terrorism. All you can say, just like we want out of Nigeria, want out of Nigeria, want out of Nigeria. Biafra is not
We are not going to ask you to get back to work. One of the outstanding work.
It doesn't make sense to me because if you are one person then you stay in that country and defend that country. But if you take the benefits of another, you don't have to take another one, but then you argue.
We did not have Biafra yet. That was the problem. We want Biafra.
Biafra didn't exist though.
It didn't exist. Remember, when you were younger, it doesn't exist at all. Not at all. That's what we're saying.
And you're killing us every day in our land.
Every day. In our land, they're taking everything we have. We've got the oil, we've got the resources, and they are not allowing us to build. So Biafra, a good office, but no longer exists. That's what we want to do. Because right now, we can't have that because by birth, we are Biafra. We want our country. We want to take it. That's what we're fighting for.
They didn't take it, right?
No, I got what I said through.
Okay. They refused to take the letter from us. We are going to post it and also send them email to make sure they have both the soft and the hard copy of the letter. So we are going back now to the protest to continue. We are not giving up. We are not neither giving up or giving in. That's one of those things. That is what is being expected. I expected this today. This is a letter for Boris Johnson, which they refused to take. We are going to send it by mail and also send the soft copy by email also. We are posting it. And we are coming back here on 30th to also bash on them. We are not giving up. We are Biafra. No retreat, no surrender. Let's cross here. No, I'm crossing here.
What we do is freedom for our people. What we do is for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. What we are asking for is to let Biafrans go. We are tired of being Nigerians. We are tired of being Nigerians. Nigeria is a fantastically corrupt country. Confirmed by David Kennedy. We don't want to be part of that corruption. Please, Boris Johnson. We want our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. We want him to be released. Biafrans, what do you want? Biafrans, what do you want? Biafrans, what do you want? Where do you want it? Where do you want it? Where do you want it? Biafrans have spoken. The voice of the majority is the voice of God. Biafrans says they want Nnamdi Kanu released unconditionally. Biafrans say they want a referendum now. This is not my word, it's the word of the majority. They want it now, Boris Johnson. If you think Biafrans want to be in Nigeria, we challenge you. Conduct a referendum. We promise you we will respect the will of the people. If our people vote to stay in Nigeria, so be it. If they vote to leave Nigeria, you must respect their will also. We are asking you for two things, Boris Johnson. Please, speak to your slaves in Nigeria. Speak for your slaves. Tell them that these people want to go. Speak to your stooges, Boris. Tell them that Biafrans are disturbing you in number 10 Downing Street. We will always be here. It doesn't matter what you do or what you say. We will always come here until Biafrans are allowed to leave Nigeria. It's not out of hatred. It's out of love that we cannot live with other ethnic groups. We know our problem more than you do. Our problem is that we have not consented to be together. Our problem is that we have never agreed to be together. We are challenging you. If you think we have agreed to be together, conduct a referendum.
too about it.
Let the people decide. Boris, we are here to appeal to you to let Biafrans go.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.